Good evening to all. Today is,
Oh, it's Monday. Man's Monday night dinner time.
yes, indeed, the beginning day of the week.
Yeah, work week. Yes.
Yes, working day
Yeah.
again.
Mm-hmm.
Because vacation is over.
Yep.
Yeah. So my husband
That was
has a
fun.
court already this morning.
Yes, exactly. Very
Because
good.
his vacation
Is over.
is over. Work again.
Yes.
I love you,
I love you,
Rusty.
Felly.
And our food tonight is fried rice,
Okay.
with
Pork soup.
pork soup
Okay.
with cabbage,
Mm-hmm.
and we are going to eat the tiramisu that the Neupitz give us in our anniversary,
Oh,
our
yeah,
fifth
good.
wedding anniversary,
Okay.
and we are going to eat
Mango and,
and
grapes
and strawberry.
and strawberries. Oh.
And my husband is going to drink
Whiskey tonight.
whiskey.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
whiskey. Brandy last
Last-
night.
Yep.
Now it's whiskey.
That's right. Take
Yes.
turns.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for your good comments. Thank you for sharing our lives with you. And
And
enjoy yours.
yes, indeed. And your likes.
That's right.
Thank you for following us in TikTok.
Yep. Yep.
We
That's
love
fun.
all our followers.
Yes, we do.
Yes,
Yeah,
indeed.
we enjoy meeting new ones
Yes,
when we're out in the world shopping and
somebody.
doing all those good things.
Yeah, and somebody recognize us.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, thank you
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
anywhere you are.
Yes.